Today we're going to look at Makartt's 22-piece summer gel colors. Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is how the package is going to look. It's very nice, little paint splatter thing going on. Let's go ahead and open it up. So here we have some instructions and some tips on applying gel polish and some things that might occur if you're doing it wrong. Always remember to read those instructions. This kit comes with 22 colors and a top and a base coat as well. So these bottles are labeled with 4-digit numbers. Like here we have 3001, then there's 3002, so on and so forth. These colors can be very similar, so I'm going to use my label maker. A little tip when you're labeling your swatches, especially when you have a lot of colors, go ahead and print out as many as you can at one time. That way you're not wasting too much of that extra paper that always comes out of those label makers. All right, so this first color, number 1, is a really bright yellow color. And the consistency in these were pretty much the same on every one. And I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. If you guys like this lamp here, I did do a separate video for that. You can check it out. All right, so here is that first coat, and it is a bit transparent, but it did cure in the 60 seconds that was recommended. So I'm going to do another coat, and there is that final look. We'll go to number 2, which is almost exactly like number 1. I mean, when I tell you guys these colors look very similar, if they're like the same type of color, they really do. You can't really tell the difference between 3, 2, and 1. So here's a different color. We're getting into different colors now on this number 4 one. And this one could actually be kind of a fall color, if you look at it in that retrospect. So this number I really loved. Oh, it was just gorgeous. I mean, what's not to like? Number 6, you guys, as you can see, it was a little oily, a little separated. And some of the other ones were like that, but you just stir it up a little bit. And then after you cure that color, it just comes out just fine. As you can see, that final look here, there was nothing wrong with it. Number 7 is like a pink pastel-y color, which I love. I love pink and I love blue. Okay, you guys, I need your help, your input. When I'm showing videos like this that have a lot of different colors in it, I need to know from you guys, would you rather me walk you through it, give my opinion on them, or would you like to just kind of look at the colors and just kind of vibe to the music and just watch the colors as they go by? Let me know what you guys prefer. I really love feedback and I am not sensitive at all. So feel free to leave any constructive criticism down below. Try to be nice. Don't be too mean. But I really love feedback. And honesty. So go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know what you prefer. All right, so here's number 14, you guys. Oh, that one is amazing too. And these green colors that were in here just reminded me of Halloween. So since it's October, we're like 2 weeks away from Halloween. I thought that's the first thing that came to mind was Halloween, and you could like make some really good designs with these greens in here. All right, so we're nearing the end. Here's number 17, and we're starting to get more blue with the colors, which I love blue. Like I said, they're some of my most favorite colors. In the blue area, here's this like sky baby blue one, you guys. Oh, adorable. And then number 20, this is also a nice one. So you guys, let me know which ones you like the most and which ones you weren't really feeling. Leave it down below which were your favorites. I would really like to know. So that is the last color. And like I said, it came with a base coat and it's just clear. I mean, there's not much to see there. And it came with a top coat, and I did do a before and after for different colors. There it is. Let me know if you guys see a difference or not. Well, those are the colors. Once again, you guys, I'm going to be heading out, and I want to thank you for joining me today for another video. If you enjoyed this review and you enjoy quality nail product reviews, go ahead and subscribe to Just Doing Nails. I would really appreciate it. I want to say thank you to all my current subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. I couldn't do it without you. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to leave me a like. I will see you guys on my next review.